let's solve this system of equations. And notice this is a nonlinear system of equations. Let's choose one of these equations. I'll choose the second one, and I'll go ahead and solve this for x. So 5x is equal to negative 12y, and to finish solving for x, I'll divide both sides by 5. So x is negative 12y all over 5. And then I will replace this 4x in the other equation. So I'm going to write this equation down, but instead of x squared, I'll write down negative 12y over 5, that is x squared, plus y squared is equal to 169. Well, let's see what happens. If I square this, that's negative 12 times negative 12, that's 144y squared over 5 squared is 25 plus y squared is equal to 169. And it's really up to you at this point as to whether you want to deal with fractions or not. You can multiply through by 25. If I multiply this term by 25, the 25's divide out, and I have 144y squared plus, you must multiply this term by 25, so that's 25y squared is equal to, and you must multiply this term. I don't think I'm going to multiply it out. I'm just going to write it as 169 times 25. Now notice we do have an equation in y only. 144y squared plus 25y squared is 169y squared, and that is whatever 169 times 25 is. And then to finish, we divide both sides by the coefficient of y squared, which is 169. Look what happens. Y squared then is equal to, these divide out, and we have 25. Now remember your square root property? If y squared is 25, then y is plus or minus the square root of 25, which is plus or minus 5. So far I have that y is plus or minus 5. And I'm going to erase this. So I know that y is plus or minus 5. I don't know what that gets me yet. Now y is either positive 5 or y is negative 5. Y is plus or minus 5. Now remember, we learned that x is negative 12 times y over 5. Let me rewrite that. X is negative 12 times y over 5. So let's let y be 5, and x is negative 12 times y is 5 over 5. Look what happens. What is x? X is negative 12 when y is 5. Now what about when y is negative 5? Same thing here, but I'll let y be negative 5, and I still divide by 5, and so what do I have? I have negative 1 times negative 12 or positive 12. So it looks like I have 2 points of intersection, 2 solutions to this system. Now you check by checking in each of these equations and making sure a true statement results, but here are my 2 solutions.